Alright, this is Ian with I Am Home Specs, and today we're talking about understanding garage firewall separation when there's an attic above the garage. Looking at a typical garage, we need a fire-rated barrier between the garage space and any living space of the house. This is in case there's a fire in the garage. We want to slow down the fire from spreading into the rest of the house. Fortunately for most of us, 5/8 drywall is considered a fire-rated barrier. So the question becomes, what happens if there's an attic space above the garage and now we have this hole in our fire-rated barrier? The answer depends: is there a firewall between the attic, the garage, and the rest of the attic space, or if the attic space above the garage is open to the rest of the attic space above the house? So we must look in the attic. Now here we see there is drywall between the attic above the garage and the rest of the house. This means our hole in the ceiling is okay because there's still a fire separation beyond this hole that is preventing the fire from spreading into the house. Now we do want to note any defects in this firewall. Now if you look and see the attic spreads out over the rest of the house from the garage, then we have a problem. This fire barrier is being violated by this attic hatch, and any fire in the garage will easily spread over throughout the house. So you can do one of three things. One is get a fire metal rated attic hatch that self-closes, or simply get drywall and seal up that attic hatch, but then you lose your access to the attic. But this is usually the cheapest option. The most labor-intensive option is to have someone go and install drywall to separate the garage attic from the attic of the rest of the house. Hopefully this clears up what to do when you have an attic above your garage.